Hey guys, this is Rohit and today we're gonna review the latest update which is announced by Motorola for the Moto X first generation devices. Currently this device is running on the 4.4.4 which is KitKat, and latest update is of 5.1 which is Lollipop. Moto X is also claiming that they have provided some extra features in this update. So let's see what it is. So as we can see, the new system software is available. New system software will consist of Android 5.1, which is the base of this update, and there are some basic highlights. As you can see, the material design UI. Maybe there will be a new user interface for this device, and some basic battery saver improvement and on-device security. So I wanted to tell you that currently this device has a UI of the stock Android, which is not that much user friendly, and I can say in the graphics it is not that much compatible. So maybe Motorola has some plan to change the UI of this device. So let's see what it is in the update. So as we can see that there will be some security improvement too. So now I'm starting the update. As you can see, the update is started. Hey guys, so now the update is completed, and it basically took me around 3 hours to complete the update, and basically depends upon your internet speed. So as we can see, the notification bar, it is completely changed, and the settings that user may use all the time are already here. So we don't have to go in the settings and change the settings. The complete setting is the basic and the most useful settings is already here. So as we can see, the look and feel of the device is quite similar to the previous version, but yes, Motorola has changed some of their apps, like the touchless control. They have gave an update to the touchless control, which was in the latest version of the Moto X, but now the Moto X 2014 version will also have this feature. So basically this version, what it does is uh, for switching on the phone, every time we have to say, in previous version, every time for switching on the phone we have to say the OK Google Now phase. But now in this update they have given some new feature, like we can actually manage our face by ourselves. So now whatever we want to tell or to switch on the phone, we can actually manage it here. As we can see, it is giving me an example like OK Moto X. So if I choose this, every time for switching on the phone I have to use this face, like OK Moto X. And the OK Google Now, it is the basic settings, it is the base of the setting. As we can see, they have also given some extra feature in the active display. As we can see here, the active display has a Motorola display, which is also called as active display. And overall the UI of the apps are quite similar to the KitKat, but they have given the updates in the features of the apps. As we can see here, assist, so here it is the update. It was OK Google, check voicemail. So basically it is calling my voicemail number. I have not set any number yet, so that's why it was doing this. uh, it has some new feature like talk to me. Okay Google, now talk to me. So
Okay, I'll announce incoming calls and texts for the next 30 minutes.
as we can see, the update is quite good and more user friendly. So now what it will do is it will read out my calls and text message for next 30 minutes. So it is quite good feature. Like if I will be doing some other things, it will read out everything for me for next 30 minutes. So it is basically a very good feature. Now I can turn it off also, not now. So I'm turning it off. Basically the update was quite good, and if you have a device like Moto X, you should do the update as far as possible. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for my channel and stay tuned for the more videos. Thank you.